it by grasping the wheel on the captain's bridge. Tap out your very own SOS on the ship's wire. Feel the heat of shovel coal, or touch the chill of an iceberg. You can even imagine that cold, dark night as you sit in an actual-sized lifeboat and hear stories told by real survivors. Step back in time and stroll decks and galleries as you marvel at more than 400 artifacts, worth over $4.5 million.